This is a view of Wellington, New Zealand, sunrise earlier today, Monday the 27th of June 2022. Now Wellington's not the only city that has seen some fantastic sunrises and sunsets, even here on the east coast of Australia. And this is a view of the radar scope. The imagery is the Bureau Meteorology's Devonport radar, also earlier today. Bureau Meteorology earlier this afternoon cancelled the road weather alert for Tasmania and the bushwalkers alert. However, for the remainder of today, there's a strong wind warning for the southeast coast, southwest coast and central west coast. Now this is a view of the precipitation and pressure from 10 a.m. through to about 2200 hours on Thursday. Information at the bottom of the screen. This is a developing item. Rain is on the way for parts of the Northern Territory and Queensland. Unseasonably heavy rain will spread over parts of the Northern Territory and Queensland later this week, with wet weather also set to return to Australia's east coast. Northern Australia is in the middle of its dry season, a largely rainless 6-month period that runs from May to October. The northern half of the Northern Territory usually receives less than 5 millimetres of rain during all of July. This week, however, a stream of tropical moisture is going to produce rain over a broad area of the Northern Territory and Queensland, possibly delivering several months worth of dry season rainfall in some areas. A few showers will develop over the Northern Territory, Far West Queensland tomorrow, Tuesday and Wednesday, as the cloud band stands to build across northern Australia. Rain will become heavier, widespread between Thursday and Saturday as the cloud band slowly drifts further east. The injection of tropical moisture provided by this large cloud band will also help produce rain over a broad area of eastern Australia from Friday into the weekend. Here's the Bureau's rainfall outlook, possibly persisting into the start of next week as well. There are early signs that some of this rain could become heavy enough to cause flooding as the coastal trough deepens early next week. This rain event could cause flooding in parts of the Northern Territory, Queensland, eastern New South Wales, including areas that are normally dry at this time of year. The rainfall scale, right hand side of the screen. Now we have a look at the GFS model after this one, and what does one say about the entire area in green. And my interests east of Mackay, out there in the Coral Sea, looking at the purple and pink. Now this is the pivotal weather website. It's the GFS, also precipitation. The scale is at the right hand bottom of the screen. So flood warnings remain in place, and I have no doubt that we'll see additional flood warnings or even flood watches issued in coming days. And look at how this develops. A stream of tropical moisture is going to produce rain over a broad area of the Northern Territory and Queensland, possibly delivering several months worth of dry season rainfall in some areas. And if you've been viewing our live streaming format over the last few weeks, especially last week or two, I've mentioned that the Bureau has Australia on the La Nina watch, and this is again pressure, the GFS model. Bureau Meteorology has a low off the New South Wales coast. We're waiting for the Bureau to update the information, and I'll broadcast that via our live streaming service. Bureau Meteorology also said above average rainfall, but people have had enough. Flooding, displacement, the mental toll, but I've seen worse. I have a passion for severe weather. I've had my fair share of driving in severe weather. I know all of the flood spots here in the southeast corner of Queensland. Now this is the cyclone phase diagram. It's the NCEP GFS. And I'm looking at the low, possibly the form, and track down along the east coast of Australia. The second one is coming up, and this is the UK Met. And as mentioned, the trough is forming off the Queensland coast. I'm waiting to see the latest positioning. We will continue to bring the latest information either via the video update or updates and via our streaming service. We also have an area of interest up in the Westpac. I think it's the South China Sea. Our main channel is keeping an eye on it. And that's in addition to what's happening up in the Northern Hemisphere. And bye for now.